Hello world, it's Hatim Tekri. Now in this video, we see the examples of for loops. We will perform certain examples, some programs so that you understand the use of loop or how to use the loops. We do these programs using the for loop. So first, clear this. So our first program is how to print number from 1 to 20. So for that, we initialize the counter variable with 1 and we put condition that the counter variable is less than equal to 20. So for the for loop, first we write the for keyword and inside the bracket we mention three things: the initialization, condition and increment functionality. So first initialization. So int I equal to 1 semicolon. Now condition I is less than equal to 20 semicolon I plus plus. This I plus plus is tends to I equal to I plus 1. This toString method will convert the integer into string. First, it goes inside the loop and it's initialize the counter variable with 1. And then it's check the condition that whether the I is less than or equal to 20. And if the condition gives true result, then it goes inside the loop and execute the code. And after executing the code, it goes to the increment functionality. Increment functionality increment the counter variable by 1 and then again it check the condition. If the condition gives true result, then it goes inside the loop and perform the code again. So now in this case it's print 1 to 20. So let's check. Click on the run button and yeah, it's print number from 1 to 20. So in this way we use the loops. Now we move on to the next program. So the next program is to print the even number between 1 to 20. So the initialization, the condition would be same. Now inside the loop, we mention another condition that if I percent 2, this percent operator will give the reminder. That's mean if we divide I with 2 and in the result it's give the remainder of the division. So to check the even number, we create the condition that the remainder of division by 2 is equal to 0. If the remainder is 0, that's mean the number is even. This percent operator tends to the remainder of I divided by 2. So if the remainder of I divided by 2 is equal to 0, that's mean the number is even. So if the remainder is 0, then we print the number. So in this case, it iterate the loop 20 times and every time it's check that whether the number is even or not based on this condition. If this condition gives true result, then it print the number. If the condition gives false result, then it goes to the next iteration and execute the loop until I equal to 20. So let's check. Click on the run button and it's print even number only because we print the number only if this condition gives true result. So in this way we use the for loop. In the next video we understand the break and continue keyword. And after understanding the break and continue keyword, we again take the programs and understand the loops in a much better way. So in this video, we understand the for loop or the uses of loop using two programs. First is by printing the number from 1 to 20 and another is by printing the even number. So that's it for this video and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.